Hi there, KeyNewbie with part 2 of step 2.1, here to show you the necessity of the stabilizer. In part 1, I assembled the piece, but I never explained why it was needed. I mean, as you can see, I could assemble the keyboard without the stabilizer, but the reason we need it is that it plays an integral part in keycap stability. So now, I'm going to show you a comparison clip of the keycap and switch with and without the stabilizers. As you can see, as we press the keycap without the stabilizer, it's shaking like it's having a seizure, like a seesaw back and forth. And that's a bit of a problem for a mechanical keyboard. Now, if you look at the keycap with the stabilizer, here it is, that smooth sound. The difference is quite noticeable once you've compared them. Wow, pressing the keys on a mechanical keyboard is quite addictive, with both the feel and the sound. But you know what? I'll stop. I'll stop. Okay, with that, I'm done with step 2.1. By the next video, you'll be seeing a much more complete keyboard as I gather all of the previous pieces I displayed in my earlier videos. So I've been kicking around the idea of making more detailed explanation videos for the steps I've performed. So if the viewers are interested in such a thing, they can visit my YouTube channel. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, then you can check out my channel for that content, possibly. I mean, I'm still thinking about it.